Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can join guilds in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. What guilds are? They are basically, well, groups of people which make up teams, through which you can cooperate with other members of your guild and partake in content which is exclusive for those guilds. If you've played any other game with guilds, it is very similar to all of those processes. But yeah, the way you can join guilds is there are, well, technically two ways. One of them is creating a guild, and one of them is joining a guild. Now, as you can see, guilds are locked for me. They are unlocked at level 22 and higher, so keep that in mind. But yeah, long story short, to create a guild, you will need 300 credits. If I go into the store, you will see my credits in the top right. I have 100k now. I would need 300k to open up a guild, and you can create your own guild, and that will automatically set you as guild leader. However, there is the option as well to join it. If you are a high enough level and you click on the menu, you will be taken to the guild list. If you are not in the guild, you can search for a guild by name or by leader, I think, and you will be given the option to join them. However, you can also join guilds through the official channels. Whoops, excuse me, my screen sharing has stopped for some reason. This happens a lot, and it didn't even disconnect on my phone. But yeah, bear with me. And of course, it plays audio now. But yeah, you can also join through official channels from the developers and from Reddit or Discord. So yeah, those are some of the ways that you can join a guild, and that's been pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.